Many facilities today face the dual challenge of aging infrastructure and a growing skills gap. As seasoned experts retire, newer technicians are left managing outdated systems, often with legacy software that's slow, limited, or no longer supported. Instrumentation configuration software helps bridge that gap, offering modern tools to connect, configure, and maintain field devices more effectively. In this video, we'll show you how to get started, streamline your workflow, and bring your operations up to speed with ABB's Field Information Manager. Once you navigate to the website, scroll down to the software section and download both the configuration software and additional driver package. For this tutorial, we'll only be installing the standalone configuration package. Be sure to check all the server connection boxes for maximum compatibility with your USB modem. It's recommended to install FIM before modem drivers, as there may be issues with FIM detecting that driver had it already been installed. Once you've opened up your first instance of FIM, check the 3 communication server types. The remaining ones would require an IP address which isn't supported for the unlicensed version. There will be a dialog box that appears showing that this device is an unlicensed free version of FIM. Choose the Use Device Windows Edition selection to make this disappear. Now click on the hamburger menu and navigate to the device catalog. This is the library for all of the device drivers that FIM supports. Then find your unzipped file of additional driver packages and drag and drop them into the library. They will populate it with the latest FDIX file types. FIM supports both FDIX and EDD file types for smart devices. Now we can install drivers for various types of HART communicators. Depending on the manufacturer of the HART communicator, you may need to download separate drivers from their website. Locate these drivers and install them on your computer. Now you can plug in your USB HART modem and FIM should detect it. FIM will show the device connected automatically since it searches through the library of drivers. Even if there's not a dedicated driver, FIM will use a generic one until it's replaced with a specific one. Let's repeat this process with a different brand of USB HART modem. The same steps apply as before, however, FIM may not automatically detect this type of modem due to the way these drivers installed on the computer. In some cases, drivers may not be recognized by the communicator. In cases like this, be sure the driver packages are unzipped and then locate them using the Device Manager tool. Click on Ports and manually locate the driver. Once this is completed, you may be asked to restart your computer. When you log back into FIM, the USB modem will automatically detect the device plugged into it. FIM can also be installed on mobile tablets for easier field use, or can be purchased preloaded on the ABB Ability Smart Device Manager. ABB, engineered to outrun.